Attention. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 6, 7, 8.
And a very good morning to all of you. Today is 28 April 2026. I am Khadija Kamran from grade 2B presenting the today's assembly presentation to commence our assembly with blessings of Allah Almighty. I would like to invite Hassan to grace us with the recitation of the Holy Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. صدق الله العظيم. May I now request Shaheed to come forward and present the hadith of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam for our guidance. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. अल-मुस्लिम अक़ल मुस्लिम. मुसलमान मुसलमान का भाई है. Subhanallah. Jazakallah Shaheed. To enrich our vocabulary, I now invite you, sir, to share the word of the day with us.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Yusuf Bhatt from grade 2. Today the word of the day is diligent. Means to work hard and careful. Thank you.
As this is the final presentation of our session, we wanted to end with gratitude. Today we are going to thank a group of people who take care of our school like it's their own home. Our domestic staff. Our domestic staff. They are here before we arrive, making sure our classrooms are clean and ready. Now I would like to invite some of my classmates to give the honor to our respected domestic staff. Please Hadia, Zoha, Bilal and Aisha come up on the stage first and foremost. I would like to take a moment to honor the person who welcomes us every day and keeps our schools safe. Can we have a bigger round of applause for Security Uncle Shami? I am Milan. Now I would like to say who works so hard and keep our school clean and beautiful. We are truly grateful to you. Please come forward. It is glad to hear you, Muturangal. Assalamualaikum. My name is Zoha Shujar. I am from grade 2B. At this time, I would like to say thanks to all the brothers who sweep and mop our entire assembly area every morning before we arrive. Salman Bhai, Javed Bhai, Shahid Bhai and Shahid Bhai. Please join us on prayer. You have our teachers rightly. I am Hadia from grade 2B. At this time, I would like to say heartfelt thanks to, I would like to express our heartfelt thanks to all the aunties who take care of cleaning and keeping our school neat and tidy. Asya auntie, Kundan auntie, Miss Reen auntie, Kausar auntie and Miss Zubeda auntie. Please join us on the recording round of applause. My name is Saita from grade 2B.
would like to call upon the person who leads this incredible team with dedication, none other than Mr. C, the head of domestic staff. Thank you for managing and guiding everyone so efficiently. Your leadership keeps our school running smoothly. Please join us on this meeting.
Once again, a huge thank you to our entire domestic staff team. You are the backbone of our school. Let's give them one final big round of applause. I hope you like our presentation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Wonderful presentation by grade 2B students, just prepared by under the supervision of Ms. Solia Qureshi. Just give a huge round of applause for them. And really I would like to appreciate all of our domestic staff, because without their efforts and without their working, this school is nothing. And there is a lot of gratitude and hard work that we are just paying to them. Lots of thanks, to bundle of thanks for them for just doing this all for us on daily basis. Just your clapping will show you their for the appreciation of these people. Yes. Very good. Thank you. It's time to celebrate.